Hello everyone, welcome back another tutorial video. In this video, we will discuss about custom dimensions. You may know that custom dimensions are dimensions that are actually not built in Google Analytics, and we can create it as a custom. So why we need to make custom dimensions? Because custom dimensions sometimes make you some significant reporting. From there, you can understand about your paid advertising effort or your user engagement. So based on your business objectives and goals, we can create custom dimensions as per the need. So if you consider that you are running a e-commerce business and you are not having the transaction ID as a custom dimension, that means you cannot clarify the conversions, which conversions are coming from which campaigns. So that is a major setback for you. So you can create the dimension, custom dimension as a transaction ID. So first you need to send the transaction ID along with the e-commerce tracking when you are tracking the purchase transaction, purchase. That time you need to send this transaction ID, and then it will be appear in Google Analytics, and you can set it as a custom dimension. So let's go to the Google Analytics dashboard and show you how to create the custom dimension. You can see Google Analytics dashboard. From here, we will create custom dimension. So first go in the admin section, and under admin, data, you can see data display. From their custom definition, in the custom dimension section, you can see I have already created a transaction ID. So if I go and see the edit, so you can see dimension name is transaction ID, scope is event, and same description transaction ID. You can give your own description, and event parameter is transaction ID. So I hope it's difficult for you to understand. So create another one. If I go and event parameter, you can see there is a lot of parameters that we can set as dimensions. So let's set this tags as a dimension. So if I set this event tags as dimensions, so automatically dimension name will be tags and scope will be event, and tags same we can make a description name text, and I can save it. So that means from now on, you can use this tags or transaction ID as a parameters to build in some reports. So if I go and show you some reports, you can see in a free form in Google Analytics for in free form item, I have created one report, and in the report I have used transaction ID as a dimension. You can see this is the transaction ID, and we can see this specific purchase have come from Google, and it is from CPC, cost per, that means from paid advertising, and the session Google Ads campaign have a name. That means we can easily understand that these sales have come from the specific campaigns. So if you can see the second one, transaction ID, that is come from Google, but that's not paid, it's organic, and there have no Google Ads campaign name because this is organic. Also same like you can create much more custom dimension metrics or calculated metrics to see some hidden reportings that can help you to understand your user behavior, your campaign performance, or many more objectives can be obtained from these custom dimension metrics or calculated metrics. Hope you have understand and enjoyed the video.